Hi, welcome to Backyard Bodyworks. My name is Robert. We're going to be doing some projects over the next couple of weeks and months. Basically, it's just showing the process in doing automotive repair and bodywork. I have a 2009 Honda Accord that was brought to me a couple of weeks ago, and as you can tell, it's got front end damage. I've already started taking things apart. I've taken the lights and the grill and the one of the fenders off, the damaged fender, which I have over here, as well as, you know, a bunch of the damaged parts that are just sort of sitting there. I have ordered new parts, and we'll go ahead and get started putting those together here in the next day or so. So follow along with us. Thanks. And again, welcome to Backyard Bodyworks.